Imagine finally buying your dream sports car, the legendary Porsche 911 or the perfectly balanced Boxster. You turn the key on the left and listen to that beautiful flat six engine roar to life. But what they don't tell you is that hidden deep inside this German masterpiece is a tiny, cheap component ticking like a time bomb, waiting to completely destroy your bank account. Welcome to the infamous Porsche IMS bearing disaster. When Porsche transitioned to their new water-cooled engines in the late 1990s, they had to redesign the internal architecture. To drive the camshafts, they used an intermediate shaft. And to support the rear of this shaft, engineers made a fatal decision. They used a standard sealed ball bearing. In the brutal environment of a high-performance sports car, this was a massive miscalculation. This bearing sits inside the engine, constantly splashed by hot engine oil. Over time, the extreme heat destroys the rubber seal on the bearing. Once that seal fails, the hot engine oil washes away the permanent factory grease packed inside. Now, your high-revving Porsche is relying on a dry, unlubricated bearing. The steel balls begin to grind, sending metallic shrapnel directly into your oil. If you don't catch it in time, the bearing shatters completely. The intermediate shaft drops out of alignment, the timing chains go slack, and in a fraction of a second, the pistons violently smash into the open valves. A simple bearing that costs less than $50 completely grenades a premium engine. You are looking at a complete engine replacement that can easily exceed $20,000, often costing more than the entire value of the car itself. Have you ever dealt with the Porsche IMS nightmare, or did it stop you from buying one? Let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to Overdrive Engineering for more expensive mistakes.